Alright guys, we're out here, we're at Lake Bellfield. It's wet and windy, but we want to get some footage for you guys and pop a video up as soon as we can. So in here, in this part here, the lake, we'll be tracing trout and redfin, and there is yellow belly and blackfish, and I have just recently started stocking it with cod, but they're going to be extremely small. So we'll give it a try. We've bought gudgeon and worms for bait. We've also bought our flick rods, so if we wanted to have a bit of a flick, we can. So we'll check back in once we're set up, ready to go. Found myself a little spot here. Nice seat, a couple of little rod holders and stuff. As I said, the wind's atrocious, so I'm not going to be able to pick up on little bites, but hopefully we can hook onto something. Nice big redfin would be great. Right, I've had to make a quick retreat. It's getting pretty wet out there, so we're going to leave this spot. We didn't have any hits in the probably 45 minutes that we fished, so we're going to head back down the other end to the wall. Hopefully the rain holds off a bit and we'll be able to get a bit of a session in there, but if not, we'll have to figure out another plan. I know, spot number 2, we've come out here because Bellfield, the weather was just absolutely atrocious, so we've come down to the river. The rain's stopped. We'll put around a couple of gudgeon, a couple of worms. Bryce is going to flick around and use a bobber or float to see if he can get something under float, which we haven't been able to do in years because we don't really fish that way. But we'll see how we go and we'll check back in once set up. Righto, rod's in, number 1 rod in. That's got the worm on it. So we'll see how we go here. Can't say I'm expecting great things, but I'm expecting something. There he is. One more big sucker on him here. Got him. Had to tighten him up then. That's not a bad size. Whatever it is having a dig. He might have snagged me. Oh, he's coming up. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not sure, mate. He hasn't come up yet. He's decent. Big dirty old Carpio, I'd say. The way he's fighting. Yeah, it's a dirty old carp. It's been ages. Stay out of the other line. Yeah, I can't really get down there, sorry. No, not in there. Wow, I haven't caught a carp in ages. Got him. And there he is. Wait, there he was. This one here doesn't want to come in. Whoa. Dirty old Carpio. I was actually just doing a bit of research on that footbridge, that railway bridge, as I was. Didn't see the first few bites, but once I've dealt with this, I'll give you a bit of information on that railway bridge. Let's get him unhooked. Don't flick around at me, silly. It's actually not a bad sized carp. Well, unfortunately, buddy, your existence is coming to an end. Thanks for playing the game. Oh no, he's been dispatched. Not before he took a nice slide over my phone. And if you're wondering about the bag, that's so I don't get a wet ass when I sit down. So it's been a good while since I've had a fight like that, so I had a feeling it was a carp. Righto, line's back in the water. Righto, a bit of information about the old railway bridge. It's was built in 1887 because there used to be big citrus orchards and fruit orchards all around this area. So when that was all up and running, they used to cart a lot of fruit and that to markets, I suppose. But it hadn't been used for 36 years. It was decommissioned, but it's still absolutely beautiful to look at. Just had a bite on the gudgeon then. Here he goes again. Oh, I think I missed him. Gudgeon. Right, so I got a gudgeon. About 1.20 m under a small bubble float. Just gonna throw it out there. Just had a hit on a gudgeon on paternoster. So let's see if we can get that fish back. Oh, worms are going. Might have missed that one. I'll just leave it there. See if they want to come back. I think he snagged me actually. Yep. I'll have to re-rig that one as well. Snaggy spot. It's alright. We'll deal with that in a sec. First we'll finish dealing with this one. Hopefully that stays. I'll just quickly run up and grab another hook.
Buddy, you okay? Buddy, you all good? You alright? You alright? Oh, what happened? What's happened to you, buddy? Looks like half of his tail feathers are gone. Poor thing. And now I can't even get up. Did a cat do this to you, buddy? Can you get up? Yeah, I'm gonna help you. There we go. There you go. You alright, buddy? You alright? You been hit? You been hit? He's got blood coming out his nose. You all good, mate? So I don't want him to fly into the river. There's his mates up there. Just make sure he's okay. Hey, he's definitely not alright. He's just there. Buddy, just go that way. Hey. Are you okay? Yeah, just go that way. Alright, I'll just see where he goes. Alright, he's over there. I'm gonna check on him on the way back and see if he's okay. Just over by those trees over there. If he's gone, well then he's obviously pretty good. If I still see him flying around, I don't know. Probably call someone, see if they can take him in.
A bite on the worms. Still there. A bit of crack on that. Got him. Yeah, what do we got? Redfin.
Nice size one.
Oh, not bad. Not a bad little reddy at all. Uh-oh. Oh, no, it's just there. That's all right.
Do you want those pliers?
That's out. I just had it. Alright guys, nice little reddy. I'd say probably 30. Wouldn't be much bigger, that's for sure. Not a bad little one at all. His lucky day, he's going to go back and have another swim.
It's so red. Look at him.
Yeah, he's beautiful species. Righto, last look boys. Beautiful reddy. See if I can get down here without slipping in. Let's see. See you, bud. Oh, you had to jump. Oh no, it's on the board. Some more worms on.
Got one. Finally. There you go. Nice little redfin. Only took us the whole stretch of the river. Come here, buddy. Come here. Absolutely engulfed it. Good on ya. The redfin looks so much better in here. If I'm comparing to Tails Lake redfin, that is. There you go. Orange green again. Pretty nice fat redfin. See you later, mate. There he goes. Oh, let's hope we can get another one. 9% left on this battery. See if we can catch one in that time. Before I have to go back to the car and get another one. Nothing there. Or throw a snag there. Oh, almost got snagged on it. Thought that was a fish, to be honest. Should come off. Yep. As long as you don't heave ho on it when you get snagged, you should be able to get it out. Oh, got him. Just a tiny one. There we go. We're gonna have to go back and get another battery. I wasn't gonna because I only caught one, but now we've got two. There you go. Just quickly chuck him back before this battery runs out, and I'll go get another battery. Just a tiny one. See you later, mate. There he goes. Alright, gonna get a new battery, and I'll be back.
Righty, I'll do my outro here. We've only got about 15 minutes left. The light's getting a bit dull, so all in all, we've caught 3 redfin and 1 carp. Bryce with the 2 redfin on the spin right chatterjig, and myself with a carp and redfin on worms. Did have a good bite on the gudgeon, but we gave up on that when the worms were getting the majority of the bites, and then swapped over and ran worms on both rods, and since then have been getting numerous bites on both rods. Did have a good one and a hook up on the red rod, but it got off, unfortunately. But all in all, after a shocking morning out at Bellfield, we've come to the local river and managed to land ourselves a few fish. So if you've enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and make sure to subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.